Hey, great morning. Welcome to this beautiful day. It's the day the Lord has made. I rejoice, you rejoice, and we are glad in it. In case you don't know me and I'm coming your way this morning, my name is Kevin Daniel, and I am blessed. I live in a place of abundance. I live in a beautiful state. Only good things happen to me. As a matter of fact, only good things are permitted to happen to me. I am motivated and I am dedicated. I'm so happy and grateful today that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. It is well with me. I have a millionaire mind. I have the mind of Christ. I am motivated and I am dedicated. And it is well with me. Now you pause this video for 30 to 90 seconds. Open your mouth and make such declarations. I am rising up. I am shooting for greatness. I am going forward. I am healed. I am strong. It is well with me. The lines are falling onto me in pleasant places. I have a goodly heritage. Now, why should you say such things? Simple. The power of life and death is in your tongue, and those that love it will eat the fruit thereof. You shall be justified by your words, and you shall be condemned by your words. All right, so you go ahead and say that and see the results in your life. Okay, yesterday we were talking about the power of action. And we said that action is the difference between those who succeed and those who don't. You see, when a group of people attend a seminar, go for a training, and are exposed to some source of information, the action you take after that training or interview determines the results that you get. Actions determine results, not just words, not just wishes and desires. All those things are good, but your actions determine your results. Your actions will determine your results. What you are willing to do with the information you have will translate to the results you are going to have. Yesterday we looked at different levels of action that you could take. You could take action at the mind level by changing your thoughts. The mere fact that you change your thoughts or you change your thinking, that's an action. Another level of action is by your speech. What you open your mouth to say, the fact that you take action on that, that's action. The last level of action is what you do. That talks about your physical acts, your activities, as regards what you want. Listen, for you to make progress, you will need to go out and take action. After the training, you should act on what you learned. After you listen to the podcast, you should go ahead and take action. After you read the book, you should go ahead and implement. After you hear the sermon, you should go ahead and do what is said. For not the hearers are blessed, Jesus said, but the doers. The Bible says, show me your faith without works, and I will show you my faith by my works. So your works are the actions that you take. The results that you want are buried in your actions. Daily actions will culminate with results. If you refuse to take actions, you will not get results. The people that are getting results in your field, in your business, in whatever it is that you are involved in, they are taking action. They are not just wishing for results. They are not just listening or talking. They are taking actions, practical actions. There are things they are doing. There are things they are implementing. There are steps they are taking daily to get the results they are getting. If they are making sales, there is something they know and they are applying and it is working. If their marriage is working, there's action that they are taking. If they are passing exams and getting progress in life, there are actions, whether the actions be physical, spiritual, mental, psychological, there are levels of actions that they are taking. So it behoves on you to find out what you need to do and to practically begin to do them. Not just wishing, not just desiring, but doing them. For those that take actions are those that are blessed. So you need to write down the actions you need to take. That's why we have to-do lists. That's why we have goals. That's why we have plans. All those things are steps to help you take the necessary actions that will give you the results. So if you desire greatness and results, then there are things you must do daily. So I want to encourage you, go ahead and begin to take the relevant actions. I dare you, if you take actions, you will make sales. If you take actions, you will make progress. If you take actions, you will see results. Nobody take actions and does not. Just imagine that you are a farmer, you have seed, you have the soil, but you didn't take the action to put the seed in the soil. 6 months from now, there will be no harvest. No matter how much you declare, you are going to declare on the actions you are taking, and you will see the results. If this is resonating with you, like this video. If it's making sense, share it. If you want more of this, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channels. God bless you. I will see you in the next video.